who I was? Was this who was this who I was? Okay. It was like darkness and a bunch of like energy waves. That's the only way I can explain it. But it was like the Milky Way. It was kind of like I was inside water and the water was chaos. You know what I mean? But it was energy. And then I seen a black horse. And then it switched to as I was looking at the black horse. And upon this black horse was a dude with heavy armor and shiny things all over his horse. And then we went into battle. And then that was it.
Huh.
Dude
So,
was terrifying.
what if that was the war in heaven?
I don't know, but the horse, the guy, everything was black. Like blacker than the black. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
The only thing you could see was all the shiny stuff over him and the horse. Like his armor, everything that was shiny was from his armor. But his whole face mask spot was like black. His hood was like black. His cape was like a blackish tan. There was lines going down the cape. And then I came out of it when it felt like I was getting attacked from the left. Like something was coming from the left. Kind of freaked me out, and that's when I just woke up, broke the trance, did whatever. Like, it was fucking freaky. Beautiful horse. Beautiful horse.
Do you remember its name?
No. It was stubborn. Didn't want to go any further.
It knew. Do you know any of the shapes of the symbols on the talismans that you saw decorating the armor?
The one shape looked, I would have to say, Assyrian. It was almost like the witch one they use today with like the three with the kind of mark that goes down.
You'd have to draw them out. Like, draw what you see in this case. This is gonna be a long project for you, Mike. But yeah, this will be an ongoing experience where you get to see the origin through time of who you were. Your first time. And you can
This was this was the symbol I saw.
shit.
That's the symbol I saw, and it was like right here,
Where? Like on the
like
body?
right on the chest,
Okay.
and it was silver. Like you could see all the silver from the armor, but this was like a more shiny of a silver. This was like a almost like a glitter kind of. Like it was different colors. Like it was almost like silver. You know what I mean? Like the silver you have, but the different colors in the silver.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what was on the chest part. Real big. Like,
Fuck.
and it went from the right side to the left side. Like from here to here, and then like there was like that. I don't know if it's two moons or if it's a three or what, but it was just like that.
Fuck.
That's the symbol I saw. just before I got attacked.
Do you know by what?
No,
And
I
then
could just, I could feel it coming from, like it was heavy, like from this side. That's why I went like this. Natural reaction was just like,
right, yeah. So what if you just recalled the spirit of who you were from the first time back to your body now?
is that who I was?
Read that spell again and go through it.
Through the mists within my mind, as the breath across the water, so as my breath across the water, the myths of time shall disperse. I shall see true to the origin of what I seek, to see the origin of who I am. Let now the waters of the ancient front flow, as sure as this my breath across you, I did blow.
Blow across the water. A nice deep breath in the mind room.
Blue, yellow, and white shield, checkered pattern, two lions, a crown, and two keys. Hesitant. Traveling across the waterway? Over a waterway. Traveling over a waterway. It's almost like Roman style armor. It's not red. It's not the usual red and silver. It's tan and brown. Or brown and tan. Maybe. Purple carriages. There's the flag. Same flag. Blue, yellow, and white. Two lions. Two keys and a crown. Why would there be a jester on a horse? Behind the carriage is four people. Looks like they have a boar strung up. They're literally walking around the. They went through the waterway and around a mountain, maybe. It's a big army. Okay, so somebody just grabbed my hand, but I can't see him or her or it. They're leading my horse. That's it. Just done. It's black now. Somebody grabbed me and started to lead me, and that's where it stopped.
Um,
But I remember the symbol. I remember the symbol on the flags.
can you
There's
draw
two
that?
lions. There's two lions facing each other, and then in the middle it had like a four checkered, had like a shield that was four checkered, and then it had a crown with two keys in the middle of the crown.
I'm gonna go get a book. I'm gonna
I'm
stop
gonna-
recording and I'm gonna go get a book.
Like the lion, you had the lions, they were on the back of their feet, kind of looking at each other, and then you had the kind of shield thing that was split in four with what looked like white and blue, and then you had a crown with two keys.
Okay. So the book I want to go grab is Signs, Symbol Signs and Signets by Ernest Leonard, a pictorial treasury with over 1,350 illustrations.
Okay.
So it's signets. Your crest. Something I just saw that was interesting. So down the rabbit hole we go, Mike. You ready? Isn't this stuff fun?
It is.
Um, so yeah, with this one, you can use this method over and over and over again, and you'll just see the detail up emerge over time. So this isn't something like you get the immediate response on it. I should have just looked at the goddamn index at the beginning.
And it's like they were going through a waterway and then out the other end, and then it looked like what they were doing was going around I don't know if it was a mound or a mountain or what, but they were going around it.
I wish I had these images in color. Can you draw that stuff that you see out? Are you used to do tattoos, so can you like?
Yeah, I can try. I haven't drawn in a while.
I mean, yeah, yeah. It was two lions, you said, right?
Yes. My lions aren't going to be like lions.
Did it look something like this?
Nice fan. Similar to that, yes, but it had here, like it had.
Well, because this one's got the lions and the checkerboard in it. That's what. And what was the pattern on the shield? Was it different from what was on the flag?
Hold on, I'm drawing it now.
Yeah.
All right, it looked like this. Okay, you had a line here, and you had a line over here, and then in the middle you had this like shield thing. It had a crown down here, like a cross, and then it had two keys through it,
Okay.
and that was the whole crest, like on the flag.
What colors were what part?
Blue, yellow, and what was it? Blue, yellow, and white. Um, this was blue. This was blue. This was white, and then the outside of it was yellow. Like this. This whole outside of the flag was yellow.
Okay.
Okay. And then you had white, blue, and like blue and blue. So you
Okay.
had white here, blue here, blue here, and then this was all yellow.
Interesting. Very, very interesting. Do you mind if I share this video?
No, go ahead.